ti mọ̀ pé tá ò bá ti rí àwa kì í sọ kí ohun tá a bá dẹ̀ máa sọ lórí náà a máa ti ṣèwádìí lóní fínífíní kó tó di pa àwọn asórí kàn ní ìfún yín láti gbọ́ àti láti wò ó. Nǹkan tí mo mú wá fún yín lénìí lẹ́ máa wá ṣe ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ béèrè pé kí ni mo mú wá fún yín lénìí. Nǹkan tí mo mú wá fún yín lénìí nípa Mohbad. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, Mohbad face a lot. Nípa Mohbad òun ni mo mú wá fún yín lénìí. Ẹ wo very dark man ó jáde tán ó tún pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Mohbad, èyí bí ìyàwó Mohbad ṣe ń treat Mohbad, èyí gbogbo nǹkan tó gbà lọ́wọ́ Mohbad. Ẹ wo fídíò wọn alẹ́ ìfà máa play fún yín gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ lórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá gbé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé èyí tó ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì yìí, bá a subscribe kó like kó comment kó share. Wà á lè máa jẹ́ àǹfààní kọ́ńtẹ́ǹtì nígbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè tá a bá fi léta, wà á lè máa fi ṣe ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí sọ pé fídíò wọn alẹ́ ìfà máa play fún yín very dark man jáde tán. Tẹ́ bá rí bí Wùnmí èyí ìyàwó Mohbad bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe tí Mohbad nígbà tí Mohbad ṣì wà láyé. Ẹ wo gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́wọ̀n jàǹfààní lórí ìkànnì ká má pàkókò yín ṣòfò. Fídíò ọ̀hún náà rèé, ó yẹ ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ wò ó.
Tó bá ti find people kẹ́ pé mi, why you doing my snap? Don't ever try, if you don't try it.
Are you not here?
Why you doing my snap?
Why are you scared?
Why you doing my snap? Why you doing my snap?
Ṣé ń gbọ́ bóyá sọ?
Ọ̀gá fún mi kí ni?
Ó ká mi ká mi ọ̀nà ìgbà.
Ó kí n gbọ́ o.
Mohbad went through a lot. Mohbad went through a lot. Mohbad went through a lot. From his wife to his friends to his record label to his neighbors, they took advantage of the boy 100%. I was watching this video, I cringed. See the way she's talking at him. She was not talking to him, she was talking at him. Who knows, maybe if that video long now, maybe she will slap him. Who knows? They are talking about bullying. They bullied him. All of them around him, they are all guilty of it. I'm very sure she does not know that a video like this will ever come out. He said, you people have a perfect relationship. Is this the perfect relationship with me? And because of this video, I ask you again. The day that boy died, you posted a lot of things, but you refused to post that this is what died the boy. You brought up a narrative as if some people gathered the boy and they beat him until he died. My question is, why did you not start by telling us what happened to that boy on that first day? Why did you wait till after 2 years before you are coming to tell us what happened to Mohbad? Say they took an injection, they do this, they do that. What were you people trying to hide? What were you people trying to hide? For this guy to record this video, it means say other videos dey. This one just come out. Anybody will get any video again like this, wanna drop her. This girl needs to be interrogated. That's just the truth. That one are sentiments now, na business. I know say very dark man no send you now. I don't care about whether people like me or not. I no send, bro. For diverting justice, for obstructing justice. She obstructed justice. How? She refused to say what happened to the boy when the boy died. She waited 2 years. Why did she wait for 2 years? Were they trying to hide evidence that might put them inside the case or make them suspect them of doing the boy anything? Talking about bullying, we'll talk about that bullying. That Sam Larry will carry boys. I don't tell Sam Larry, after Ramadan, I go interview him. That Sam Larry will pack those boys, make them go gather Mohbad. He must talk with what happened on that day. Yes, he will have to tell the general public. At least he owes me that. He should tell us what happened on that day. Why did he carry those much boys to go and fight? And the good part is that Sam Larry will not be able to lie. You know why? Because Zlatan was there. I am pretty sure that the public wants to know. Zlatan was there. So if Sam Larry lie, Zlatan day when they go ask. That bullying matter, we must dig and deep. And then Wunmi don't claim to be innocent because this is you also bullying your husband. Before you say they bullied him. You also did the same thing. He went through a lot. The people around him, all of you, are part of what happened to that boy. The boy don't buy before nurse country come. He don't buy since. He was going through a lot. The voice notes that came out when he talk say, I'll play the voice note. In that voice note, you have come out to say that he had trauma from NDLEA, blah 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 blah. Now follow me the trauma. All of you around him, all of you, including you. Now let me play the voice note.
Me, I'm not feeling okay in my life again. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, family, war. Oh, to work for me, to work cooling, what life allow on a day, we life. I no more. I swear to my living God. You won't have to feel me, people while hospital. You won't have to feel me. Oh, you don't know anything. I swear, you don't know anything. I swear to my living God. Me, ever since I've gone to the end of my life, I go. So many people I'm wishing me. I'm feeling there's a wall now. It means me, the tip of my. I'm feeling so long. I'm going to back for me. I will probably family. I'm worry. Yeah, my dear. Yeah, my dear. My dear forever. Oh, my, you will regret life to live. One night, I like my shame. I'm to back up. Go send to my wife. No, my regrets for the whole life. My life. I swear to my living God. I know you will not say anything now. You know how to go and call my mom and to make her sad, Abby. Don't worry. You think I will forget everything? Where's my phone? You can't talk. Where's my other phone? Where's my phone now? Talk now.
It is not your phone. My stores are dead too.
Where's my other phone? Yes, let me open the phone. Let's prepare the phone. Where is my other phone? Where is my old WhatsApp? We share the same iCloud with me and you, Abby. But on the WhatsApp, we share law. Where is my line? Where is everything? You want to post after Abby? About put on Abby, about do my post conversation, but the post Abby. Oh, my coco. You need to pay a lot of pay from go. One reason we pay, my worry me. Oh, my coco, you want to go family, one light, I like. To buy a bed in shit, tell as in jello. It really might be shaking, one light, I swear to my living God. One light, I will never be shaking. I want to go. Because my share to money pay me over. Yeah, I will be me Lórí, you be me Lórí over by me. I hear the budget.
Now, before you tell me, say husband and wife argue. This one not be like argument husband and wife they get to. Now, to add to this point, because Mohbad here, the suspect of cheating. Mohbad here accused her, say they won't buy her. The girl and the family won't buy her. Now, I remember interviewing Myci. Myci said something.
That night of that NDLEA, which I took him to my house, he told me that he wants to tell me stuff. And I was like, okay, bro, what was that? He made mention of his wife having affairs with someone inside the Maria house. I don't want to mention him. But I was like,
wait. Mohbad tell you saying wife the girl affair with somebody from Malian
I swear to God.
The person, na man or na still this manager.
Na man, no be even this manager.
Inside the Malian house.
If the girl can actually sit down and look to my face and say all these things I'm saying is a lie, then I drop off every allegation against her. I swear to God.
So Mohbad wife, the knock person from Malian house.
That's what he told me.
That's what Mohbad told you.
I brought two of them. I took two of them to my house.
This boy self, I need to call him. That name of that person where they say she did knock for Malian record, they go talk him. Now the case won't get interesting. May Ramadan finish. I don't tell Sam Larry. I say, Baba, we won't know what happened on that day. Nigerians wants to know. I will go find out. Maybe she don't call my name. We'll go find out. You gonna learn. And you will learn the hard way. Don't play.
Ẹ tèmi kí lẹ́yìn náà rí sí fídíò yìí tí mo play sọ fún yín sí nípa ẹ̀kọ́ tí Very Dark Man sọ nípa Mohbad. Ẹ wo káwọ́ opinion in the comment section. Tó bá gbégbà àkọ́kọ́ rẹ̀ èyí tó ń darapọ̀ mọ́kọ́ nìyí. Bá a subscribe kó like kó comment kó share wà lè máa jẹun àǹfààní content yìí. Ní ìgbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè tá a bá fi lé ta wà lè máa fi ṣe ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye. Ẹ wo gẹ́gẹ́ ti mọ̀ pé àwọn ò ní takò ẹnikẹ́ni lórí ìkànnì wa. Ọ̀pá pọ́ọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀ kò ṣeé péjò. Ó dàbọ̀.